Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I would like to invite you to join me on Patreon to paint a series of still life. This still life is a little different compared to my regular pieces like painting apples, plums, pumpkins, and so on. We're actually painting, for example, this tea kettle. And what I'm teaching is how to layer an object wet on wet, how to work with just primary colors because most of these objects are painted with only yellow, blue, and red. And also optional, how to add the background to the tea kettle, for example. We are using salt in some of these objects as well to add or create a special effect. We will be working on a pattern to add a little decoration over the tea kettle as well. In all of these subjects, you will learn how to paint with undertones, how to start layering something with an undertone, or even when you paint a highlight, like do you want to use a color? Of course, why not? So in this case, for example, we'll be using some blue, shade of blue. And just like with a tea kettle, we are using here salt to create some more rust over the bucket. To create a rust, like a rusted look, we are using undertones, for example, here. So these are shades of yellow and red, but then with an addition of brown and blue. Then we're painting a porcelain cup. We'll be using masking fluid for watercolors for the biggest highlights, and then we will be working on creating a contrast. So working with light and shadows again, but using primary colors, yellow, blue, red. So in this course, you will learn how to layer an object wet on wet, how to properly layer an object, how to mix the colors and not overly mix them on your palette because you want the mixing to actually happen on your paper. Then I'll teach you how to lift the colors and just how to create natural shade of gray, how to paint something gold. You actually don't need a shade of gold to paint something gold. You need colors. These classes are really fun. They're recorded in real time, so I talk while I am painting. It's not just a voiceover added to a video. And we will be painting a beautiful vase as well, and the principles are the same. All the same steps. Applying colors wet on wet using primary colors, yellow, blue, and red. If you would like to join me on this series, please see the link below this video, or it's www.patreon.com/Maria Morjane. Thank you so much.